Hello and welcome, Put here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 1-hour lesson plan using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI. Whether you're a teacher, a tutor, or homeschooling parent, ChatGPT can help you create engaging and effective lesson plans in minutes. So, I will open my browser. For me, I have a Google Chrome as my browser, and I select my shortcut logo ChatGPT. Now, if you don't have any account yet, I provide the link in the description below to guide you step by step, a video tutorial on how to create an account. So now, I'm in the home page of ChatGPT or the user interface. In the box below, here you put your prompt or input your text. The first step in creating lesson plan with ChatGPT is to define your topic. For now, I will use my science subject as our example. So I will now prompt this AI to make us a 1-hour lesson plan with 3 objectives on the topic, the formation of light elements, using the 7 E's, which are elicit, engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluation, and extend. Now it's time to put ChatGPT to work. Let us hit enter. There you go. ChatGPT will then generate a range of lesson plans ideas based on our input. There you go, our 1-hour lesson plan. All we have to do now is to choose and customize the lesson plan. From the list of generated ideas, choose the ones that best suit your topic and the teaching style. You can customize the lesson plans by adding your own activities, materials, and assessment. Talking about assessment, we can also prompt this AI to make 10 items quiz for the topic with 4 options in each item and show correct answer, letter only after each item. Again, let us hit enter. There we have it. ChatGPT then generate 10 items for our quiz as our assessment. As we move on, please do not forget to subscribe. All we need to do now is to copy the text or lesson plans to our Word documents. And to do that, you just highlight the text that you want to copy, then Ctrl-C to copy. Then open your Word documents, then paste, that's Ctrl-V. Then as you observe, there is a border and a shade. To eliminate, just highlight everything, then click border and select no border. And for the shade, click shade, then select no color. There you go, very easy and simple. Now you can go back to ChatGPT and copy the rest and do the same. And there you have it. With ChatGPT, you can create a 1-hour lesson plan in just a few minutes, leaving you more time to focus on teaching and engaging with your students. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please leave a message, comment down, like, and share this video. Till next time, God bless, and bye-bye.